Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, the need for processes is due to the fact that, and the correct solution is option number 4. Without the process foundation for the growth of the organization, it collapses under its own weight. Let us consider the options. Option 1. Growth involves destructive centripetal and centrifugal forces. This is incorrect because the forces are not destructive. They have given over here that centripetal and centrifugal forces can be destructive. The opposite of this has been stated in the passage. It clearly states that while growth is fundamental to survival, all growth is inherently destructive. It usually involves a tussle between centripetal and centrifugal forces. It is mainly because of the tussle that the forces become destructive. Inherently, they are not destructive. Hence, option number 1 is ruled out. Option number 2. Startups often hit a glass ceiling because they fail to follow processes. The passage nowhere suggests that processes exist and are not followed by startups. Therefore, option number 2 is also ruled out. Option 3. The essence of the startup process is devoid of process-oriented thinking and action. This is also incorrect because it is a misconception according to the passage. Hence, the only correct answer is option number 4, which comes out from the essence of the passage. Says that without the process foundation for the growth of the organization, it collapses under its own weight. Hence, the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, according to the passage, unflustered refers to, and the correct solution is option number 1, free from emotional agitation. This is the best option that describes the meaning of the word unflustered as used in the passage. Let us see. The passage talks about unflustered, the expert replied, "First, be Michelangelo." There was a question shot at the author saying that Michelangelo followed no process. And in reply to this, the author was unflustered and he said that first, be Michelangelo. Now this clearly is given in option number 1, which says that the expert was free from emotional agitation. He was not worked up emotionally when somebody shot a question saying that Michelangelo followed no process, when somebody challenged his stand of following processes. Hence, the correct option is option 1. Option 2, without reluctance, is not very relevant. Option 3, minus abandon, is absolutely not in the purview of the passage. And option 4, devoid of change in expression, is again incorrect. Hence, the correct solution is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. The question is, according to the passage, processes should, and the correct solution is option number 3. Processes should be front-loaded into the organization building activity. The 6th paragraph of the passage clearly talks about this option. It talks about how the processes should be front-loaded into the organization building activity. Option number 1, precede the ideating process so that there is a strong foundation for the future of the organization, is incorrect because ideation precedes process and not process preceding ideation. Therefore, it is incorrect. Option number 2, not be used as compliance for acquiring certifications and assessments. Option 2 is also incorrect because the last paragraph brings this out absolutely well, that processes are confused with certifications and assessments. Hence, option 2 is also ruled out. And option 4 cannot be correct because it does not include the correct answer, which is option 3. Hence, the solution is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.